Unang product natin is this Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. Ito lang yung lagi kong gamit sa mga videos ko. Kung naghanap ka ng quality pero mura lang, I suggest you get this one. Next, for concealer na good for oily skin, mura lang, and also maraming shades, I suggest you get this Get Ready With Me Radiance Tint Concealers. Pwede sila pang highlight, pang conceal, and also pwede rin pang contour. Kung naghanap ka ng magandang multi-use tints, I suggest you get the color tints from Colorette. Meron silang big one and meron din silang mini size. Ang favorite shade ko ngayon is si Maddie. Next, if you want to step up your brow game, gusto mong matuto paano mag-drawing mga fake brow hairs, mga peking buhok sa kilay, I recommend this Strokes Microblade Pen. Next, sa mga glitters na lagi nakikita sa dibdib ko, ito lang yon, the Moon Beauty Body Glow in Quartz. Pupunta rin kaming beach, so this one is perfect to bring. Of course, ang Mama Mary highlighters, hindi pwedeng mawala sa budol video na to. For powder highlighters, Clisora, and for liquid, Colorette Color Tint and Crystal Prism. Last budol of the day, ang mascarang hindi nakakababa ng lashes and also super waterproof. I recommend you buy this Hair Wing Make Mascara.